Ah, there we go. We're done for the baubles ready for Christmas. Well, this one. It's a prototype. Okay. What is a prototype anyway? A prototype is like something made for, not made for. Ah, okay. Wait, what? Alright. So, we've done a few colors. So, we put in that one. We done, let's see, blue, green, red, yellow, purple, and red, blue, green, purple, and pink, pink, purple, and orange, yellow, blue, red, and green stripes. I'm thinking yellow, blue, pink. So let me go get mine.
I came to surprise you. How did you know where to find me? Well, my fiance hired a.
So here we go. So here we go. There we go. And now this one's done. Now we're gonna do the next one. Blue. It's me. And then future. Here we go.
Your new real fancy family.
The blue done. Now the final color, pink.
A million friends, sure. It's not like
There we go. All done. Now, just these everyone will our decorations.
$300.
Let's see. Oh, I just want to get these baubles and get make to my own. Okay. What the? Stella, you used all the baubles. Oops. Sorry. I want to make my own, but there's no more. Oh. Sorry, you can get more. Okay.